Hello there everyone. Today's video going to show here how you select locked layer. About that is really about 300 set about on help you through this video. And this is going to be about to understand about to have here through that in this progress. And this way this is going to be about to be satisfied through that. So really what you're gonna do is about to be restored on this moment, as you can see through. This is really to be satisfied. Is this really about to be important satisfied with sub moment? We can actually start to select the locked layer. So really what you're gonna do is about to start to see here. If you have a locked layer, you can actually see here, if you click on the layer on the left corner, you can actually see if it's really selected. You can see actually you can unlock it with that, and that's all about to help you